today we'll talk about how can you add call reminders on your call app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on call reminders, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list and here you will find your call reminders. To add it, you just click in this sign here. So then here you select any contacts you have you want to add to reminders, just click on it. For example, then it's going to show for you here when this person call you, it's going to show for you here in call reminders. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.